Good afternoon, students. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn new chapter, that is chapter number 28, Stories of Addition Part 2. You have learned numbers and you have also learned how to add or put together different numbers. But do you know that these numbers and additions can actually help you in solving different problems? You can use these numbers and addition in your day-to-day life. For example, you go for shopping. This addition and numbers can help you find out what amount of money do you need to pay to the shopkeeper. It also helps you to find out the numbers of items you need to buy. So let us see one example. Sita has 4 apples. Ram has 2 apples. How many apples do they have altogether? What do you mean by altogether? Altogether also means putting together. Putting together means adding. So in this sum we have to add. Sita has 4 apples. The numbers of apples with Sita is 4. Ram has 2 apples. The number of apples with Ram is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Altogether they have 6 apples. Let us see the second sum. That is, Gauri had 15 rupees. Mother gave her 26 rupees more. How many rupees does she have now? Let's see. First, write the place value starting from units side. These units always start from right hand side. First, write units, then tens. Gauri had 15 rupees. 5 we will write in the units place. 1 we will write in the tens place. So 15 rupees with Gauri. Then we will put a plus sign. Mother gave her 26 rupees more. So 6 we will write in the units place. 2 we will write in the tens place. 26 rupees that mother gave her. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 we will write in the units place. 110 we will carry over to the tens column. 110 plus 110 plus 2 tens is 4. 41 rupees she have now. Read the example. Draw columns for tens and units. Write the digits in the proper places and add. Wasim had 25 marbles. He won 13 more while playing today. How many marbles does he have now? First, write the place value starting from unit side. These units always start from right hand side. First, write units, then tenths. Wasim had 25 marbles. 5 we will write in the unit place. 2 we will write in the tens place. 25 marbles Wasim had. Then we will put a plus sign. Add. He won 13 more while playing today. 3 we will write in the unit place. 1 we will write in the tens place. 13 marbles he won. Let's add. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 38. 38 marbles he have now. Let us see the second sum. That is, a shopkeeper had 35 kites. If he brought 19 more kites today, how many kites does he have in all now? Let us see. First, write the place value starting from unit side. These units always start from right hand side. First write unit, then tens. A shopkeeper had 35 kites. 5 we will write in the units place. 3 we will write in the tens place. 35 kites a shopkeeper had. Then we will put a plus sign. If he brought 19 more kites today. 9 we will write in the unit place. 1 we will write in the tens place. 19 kites he brought more. Let's add. 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 we will write in the unit place. 110 will be carried over to the tens column. 110 plus 3 tens plus 110 is 5. So 54. 54 kites he have in all. Let us see the third sum. Yesterday Salma stitched 34 handkerchiefs. If she stitches 38 more today, how many handkerchiefs would she have stitched in 2 days? Let us see. First write the place value starting from unit side. These units always start from right hand side. First write units, then tens. Yesterday Salma stitched 34 handkerchiefs. 4 we will write in the unit place. 3 we will write in the tens place. 34 handkerchiefs stitched yesterday. Then we will put a plus sign. If she stitches 38 more today. 8 we will write in the unit place. 3 we will write in the tens place. 38 handkerchiefs stitched today. Let's add. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 we will write in the unit place. 110 will be carried over to the tens column. 110 plus 3 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 7. So 72. 72 handkerchiefs in 2 days. Make your own stories for the addition given below and do them. Let us see the first sum. Sagar planted 22 mango and 37 neem saplings. How many saplings did he plant altogether? First write the place value starting from unit side. These units always start from right hand side. First write units, then tens. Sagar planted 22 mango. 2 we will write in the unit place. 2 we will write in the tens place. 22 mango saplings planted by Sagar. Then we will put a plus sign. 37 neem saplings. 7 we will write in the unit place. 3 we will write in the tens place. 37 neem saplings. Let's add. 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 59. 59 saplings he planted altogether. Let us see the second sum. Amit gave a gift of 34 books to the school library and Salma gave 28 books. How many books did they give altogether? Let's see. First write the place value starting from unit side. These units always start from right hand side. First write units, then tens. Amit gave a gift of 34 books. So 4 we will write in the unit place. 3 we will write in the tens place. 34 books Amit gave. Then we will put a plus sign. Salma gave 28 books. 8 we will write in the unit place. 2 we will write in the tens place. 28 books Salma gave. Let's add 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 we will write in the unit place. 110 will be carried over to the tens column. 110 plus 3 tens plus 2 tens is 6. So 62. 62 books they gave altogether. Let us see the third sum. Ajay read 45 pages of his storybook in the morning and 18 pages in the evening. How many pages did he read altogether? Let's see. First, write the place value starting from unit side. This unit always start from right hand side. First, write units, then tens. Ajay read 49 pages. So 9 we will write in the units place. 4 we will write in the tens place. That is 49 pages in the morning. Then we will put a plus sign. 17 pages in the evening. 7 we will write in the units place. 1 we will write in the tens place. 17 pages in the evening. Let us add. 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 we will write in the unit place. 110 will be carried over to the tens column. 110 plus 4 tens plus 110 is 6. So 66. 66 pages he read altogether. Let us see the fourth sum. In a game of cricket, Vijay scored 59 runs and Joseph scored 29. How many runs did they score in all? Let us see. First, write the place value starting from unit side. This unit always starts from right hand side. First, write units, then tens. Vijay scored 59 runs. 9 we will write in the unit place. 5 we will write in the tens place. 59 runs Vijay scored. Then we will put a plus sign. And Joseph scored 29. 9 we will write in the unit place. 2 we will write in the tens place. 29 runs Joseph scored. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 we will write in the unit place. 110 will be carried over to the tens column. 110 plus 5 tens plus 2 tens is 8. So 88. 88 runs they scored in all. Simple additions and subtraction by increasing or reducing tens. Let us see the first one, that is 41 plus 10. 4 tens, 1 unit plus 1 ten is equal to 5 tens, 1 unit. That is 41 plus 10 is equal to 51. Let us see the second one, that is 41 minus 10. 4 tens, 1 unit minus 1 ten is equal to 3 tens, 1 unit. That is 41 minus 10 is equal to 31. Addition by increasing by 20. Subtraction by decreasing by 20. Let us see the first one. That is 37 plus 20. 3 tens, 7 units plus 2 tens is equal to 5 tens 7 unit. That is 37 plus 20 is equal to 57. Let us see the second one. That is 37 minus 20. 3 tens 7 unit minus 2 tens is equal to 1 10 7 units. That is 37 minus 20 is equal to 17. Write the appropriate numbers in each box. Let us see the first one. 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. Let us see the second one. 29 plus 30 is equal to 59. Let us see the third one. 77 plus 20 is equal to 97. Let us see the fourth one. 18 plus 20 is equal to 38. Let us see the fifth one. 62 plus 10 is equal to 72. Let us see the sixth one. 84 plus 10 is equal to 94. Write the appropriate numbers in each box. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Let us see the second one. 26 minus 10 is equal to 16. Let us see the third one. 53 minus 10 is equal to 43. Let us see the fourth one. 34 minus 20 is equal to 14. Let us see the fifth one. 67 minus 20 is equal to 47. Let us see the sixth one. That is 92 minus 30 is equal to 62. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.